I want to talk to you about explosions, or rather, how you can get a better bang for your buck. Instrumental are a small company in the UK. We're a highly talented team, and in 2006, your DoD thought that we had some interest in technology, and we've developed this to the state whereby we now actively measure data from the target of explosions. In fact, I'm going down to San Antonio on Thursday to listen to a few more explosions. So, Instrumental actually was spun out of the University of Leeds in 2001. So what is it about explosions that's impressive? Two types of explosions. There's the ones that you might like to optimize. They're in your car engine. You might want it to run better. So it'd be nice to get some information from in there, preferably from the piston. And if you come along to booth 6 or 10, I can show you a piston that we've instrumented to get information from it. The other thing is that you might want to neutralize a threat. On the right hand side, there's a case bomb. And the thing is that if you have or you come across a device like that, if you use a lot of explosives to get rid of it, if it's a dirty bomb, you might just make matters worse. So the work that we're doing is to actually try and optimize the explosive event that you want to neutralize a specific threat. There's some pictures of the technology. We build batteryless, wireless sensors and tags, which are at the top, and they communicate to something that we call a diagnostic hub, which can then be integrated into standard networks. So the aim here is to get information and measure the success of the thing that you're interested in from the acquisition layer to out down to the bottom, which is the user experience. In the UK, we're tackling many markets, but the interesting one for us, and that's why I'm here in Texas, is the explosion metrology market, and that's what the focus of today's presentation is on. And if you come to the booth, I can actually tell you a bit more about that. The other markets I've put up there just in case there are people who have interest in those areas. As I say, we're a relatively modest company, but things are really starting to grow for us in the UK, particularly on the back of the rail industry market. And there are some of the sectors that we're working in and the planned growth over the next 3 years. Although we're a university spin-out, we've actually managed to attract 2 high-flying executives to come and work with us. Stuart Wallace, who's our chairman, Neil Loxley, our CEO. And there's myself, Dave McGorman, who's our operating officer, and we've got 3 PhD engineers working for us, and that's set to increase this year. Now the interesting thing is that I'm not here asking for your money. I'm not looking for investment. What I'm interested in doing is getting some contacts and getting some real customers. So we're happy to discuss any forms of working together. We're not looking for to take any money from you at the moment. We're not looking for any funding. But we are looking to get leads to customers, and maybe looking for some people to license the technology or people to represent us. So if you feel that you're interested in any of that, do feel free to come and ask some questions, and I'll be more than happy to field them. Unless, of course, there's some questions that you'd like to ask me now. That's it. Thank you.